Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to make background transparent in your sketchbook app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply open your sketchbook app, and once you open it, you need to draw anything of your preference. Now, after your drawing is done, all you need to do is tap on the hair-like diagonal feature. Once you tap it open, you have to click on eye icon on the background. After you do this, you will have this kind of interface. So this is your transparent interface. So when you save it, the photo will come as a transparent picture. So this is how you make your background transparent in your sketchbook app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.